Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Bougainvillea is one of the most popular flowering plants that blooms throughout the whole year on and off. In this video, we will take a look at a new method to grow Bougainvillea from cuttings very fast. I started with something like this and after 27 days ended with result like this. Let's take a look at the procedure step by step. Step number 1. Here I have collected a thick stem. Then making few pieces which are around 8 inches long. Please note I am cutting in 45-degree angle both on bottom and top part of the stems. Step number 2. Taking a hammer, and you can already see what I am doing. Please avoid damaging the stems and don't use too much force. I actually came to know about this method from a nursery owner. Alright, done the same thing with all the stems. Step number 3. For potting soil, I am using only sand, and for the pot, using a 6-inch pot. Step number 4. Using rooting hormone powder. This is optional, but if possible, please use it. Instead of this, we can also use aloe vera gel. Step number 5. Insert at least 2 inches inside the soil. Two important notes. First, spring and summer is the best time to grow Bougainvillea from cuttings and you would get result much faster. On second, for much better result, first pre-wet the soil and then make the holes. Then only insert the stems gently. By doing that, you can avoid damaging the outer layer of the stems. Step number 6. Press the soil gently to support the stems. Step number 7. Water well and next keep the pot only under indirect sunlight. Let's wait for the updates. For water, I used to sprinkle water almost every day. We need to maintain the moisture, but at the same time, the soil should not be soggy. Since we are using only sand, sprinkling water every day is not going to do any harm. Finally, this is the result after 27 days. Most of the cuttings are looking quite nice. I can see that leaves got wilted on this cutting. Actually, from last few days, it has been raining in my place on regular basis. And the pot was in open space. Look like too much water damaged one cutting. Anyway, let's take a look at the roots very quickly. Alright, beautiful roots as we can see. In fact, this stem also produced the roots nicely. After transplanting the cutting, this should grow new growths again. Recently, I have uploaded one video about growing croton from cuttings very easily. It's an interesting method, and for more details, please do check out my next video. So that's the new method to grow Bougainvillea from cuttings. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.